Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, we'll share how to customize the sweet cool Styla F1. First, prepare a pair of black Air Forces 1. Remove the laces. Clean the upper with alcohol wipes. Cut the paper, tape, and cover. Carefully cut away any unnecessary parts with a knife. Cut the paper tape and cover the parts that don't need to be colored. Painting with an airbrush. Remove the tape. Wipe away excess paint with a cotton swab. Print out stickers in the desired shape and stick them on for easy printing. Remember to use tweezers to tear off the excess. Remove the stickers and start drawing the details. Use a hole punch to make several holes at the desired locations. I choose a chain butterfly pin as decoration.